Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting unpairing now. First, keep both devices close and on power. The process uses Bluetooth and backs up to your iPhone. Open the Watch app and select My Watch. Tap the info icon next to the old watch. If the watch is locked, enter its passcode on the watch or opt to remotely erase it. This is necessary if you don't know the code. Once done, choose Unpair Apple Watch to begin a secure backup and remove the watch from your Apple ID. Now confirm the removal. Tap Unpair Apple Watch and accept the prompts so your iPhone creates a fresh backup of watch settings. This preserves workouts and app arrangements. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. Do this to allow future pairing. The watch will display an erasing progress while the iPhone restores the backup. Make sure not to interrupt Bluetooth or Wi-Fi until the iPhone shows the unpairing is complete and the watch restarts. Finish by deciding whether to pair the watch to a new iPhone or keep it erased for sale. If activation lock still appears, sign into iCloud. Remove the device from your account or have the original owner do so. This fixes stuck activation lock. If the backup failed during unpairing, update to the latest iOS and watchOS, then retry unpairing. Software mismatches often cause failures. If problems persist, reboot both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.